Good morning everyone. In previous video we have started manipulating data. In this we have started two commands. First is the create command, second is the insert command. So create command is used to create the structure of the table and insert command is used to insert the data in the table, or we can say insert the rows in the table or record in the table. Suppose we have a table naming salary. So we have created the table using create command and we have inserted the two rows, these two rows in the table also. Now we'll do select command. So select command is actually a DML command which is used to retrieve zero or more rows from the table. Suppose we have created the table salary and inserted the two rows. Suppose our table is ready. We have created it and we have inserted two rows. Now we want to display this table or we want to retrieve data from this table. For that we will use select command. So for retrieving data from the table, we use select command. Suppose I want to display the complete data or I want to display the record of those person who have salary more than 50,000. So I will use select command for that. So first we will see the syntax. Syntax is select column 1, comma column 2 and so on from table name. So column 1, column 2 display shows that these columns which you want to display. Suppose you want to display ID and department. So you will write select ID, comma department from table name. So from this table, two fields, this ID and department will be displayed. Let's see the example of this table. Suppose we want to display this ID and department. From this table salary, we want to display this ID and department of this table. So what we will do, we will write select CID, comma department from table name is salary. So when you will run this query, this table will come, which include CID and department. Suppose we want to display the complete table. This complete table we want to display. So for that, we should write all the fields like we have written CID and department here. So we should write all the fields, ID, department, basic pay, incentive, all the fields we have to write. So instead of doing that, what we can do, we can write a star. Star means all. So what we are doing, we are selecting all the fields from salary. So if you want to display all the fields in the table, you use star. So for displaying all the fields, what we have written, select star from salary. And when you will run this query, this whole table will be displayed. Now suppose I want to display only one row, only that row which have ID 1002. I don't want other records. I want only the record of that person who has ID 1002. For that case, we use where clause. Where clause is used for a specific record, for a specific data. Like we have written, select star from salary. This statement indicates that what we are doing, we are selecting all the fields from the salary. But the query is not completed here. I have not put the semicolon. Our query will continue here where ID is equal to 1002 and here I have terminated the query. That means the query will end here. Now the complete query is select star from salary where ID is equal to 1002. When you will run this query, it will display only the record of that person who have ID is equal to 1002. So it will display the record of 1002. Similarly, see here I have used star that will display all the field. Suppose I want to display only ID and department of that person who has ID 1002. So for that, in place of star, I will write the column name, ID and department. So what I will write, select ID department from salary where department is equal to, suppose I am writing whose department is production. So where department is equal to production. So it will display the record of that person who has department production. And what record we are displaying? Only the ID and department. One thing to notice is when I am writing department is equal to production, what kind of data is this? This is varchar type of data. So we'll put this under single inverted comma. Right? Fourth is the delete command. Now suppose I want to delete a record. So for deleting any record from the table, we use delete command. So Syntax is delete from table name where field name is equal to value. Suppose in this table we want to delete the record of that person who has ID 1002. So for that, what I will do, I will write delete from table name is salary where CID is equal to 1002. As I will run this query, this record, the first record of this table will get deleted. Now let's do it practically. Suppose we are creating database in Access, MS Access. So what I will do, I will go to new. I'll write the database name. Suppose the database name is student. I will create it from here. Fine. Now I want to create a table using queries. So what I will do, I will go to create. See, I can create table using these views also. We have different methods. First I will do using query. So what I will do, I will click on query design. Here I will click on queries and SQL view I will start. Suppose I want to create a table. So the query I will write create table and the name of the table is suppose mark sheet. Under this mark sheet I want three fields. First is the roll number and the data type is suppose integer. Then I want name. Data type is varchar. Third is suppose percent and data type is integer. Finally I will terminate it. Now I will run this query. See, the table mark sheet has been created. The structure has been created. The field name have come, roll number, name and percent. Fine. Suppose now I want to insert data in this. So I will write insert query for that. Insert into mark sheet values, and under this values I will write all the values. First is the roll number. So suppose I have taken roll number 1, comma name is Abhay and percentage is suppose 85. Let's terminate it, and when I will run this query, now see, right now no data has come. When I will refresh it, see, first record is inserted, roll number 1, name is Abhay and percentage 85. Suppose I'm inserting one more row here, roll number 2, name is Aditya and percentage is 80. So when I will run this query, the record will be inserted. See, second record is also inserted. Similarly, we can insert multiple records. Roll number 3, Anchal. Percentage is 90. Let's run this. See, 3 records have been inserted. Now suppose I want to display this record. So what I will do? I will write select query. Select star from mark sheet. Terminate. Let's run this. See, all the records have come. Suppose I want to create one more query. Select. Now I want to display only the roll number and name. Roll number, name, from mark sheet. Only two fields have come, roll number and name. Fine. Suppose I want to display only the record of that person who has roll number 2. So for that, select star from mark sheet. Here I will use where clause, where roll number is equal to 2. So when I will run this query, it will display the record of roll number 2. Fine. Similarly, now I want to delete the record. Suppose I want to delete the record now. I want to delete the roll number 3. So what I will do? I will use delete command for that. Delete from table name. What is the table name? Mark sheet. Mark sheet where roll number is equal to 3. When I will run this query, see the table, I will check. Right now it's showing deleted. When I will refresh it, it will be deleted. Fine. So this way you can insert, create, select the data and delete the data. That's it for today. Thank you.